What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Khadijah. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. Today we're back with another natural hair video and I'm super excited to show you guys this protective style. We'll be working with CurlyMe here. They did send over some loose wave crochet unit and I'm super excited. It's a 16-inch deep wave crochet here and we received 5 packs in total along with the crochet needle and some eyelashes. But I'm super excited. I already have my hair braided. I'm just gonna go ahead and install this. If you want to get this hair, I will be leaving it down below, so go ahead and check out CurlyMe here. I will be leaving their link in my description. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'm just gonna go ahead and install my hair and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. I ended up using 4 packs total, but if I go through and I feel like I need to add some in there, then I have enough to do that. But 5 packs is definitely a lot to do a full head, and I love how it's turned out. It's super gorgeous and it's very lightweight. The hair is soft, it's super easy to install. I would definitely say this is like a beginner friendly kind of crochet here. I absolutely love what it's given. It's giving me some really nice deep curls. It's versatile, I can style it however I want, and I absolutely love this hair. Again, I will be leaving the hair information down below. Go ahead and check out my description. Go ahead and check out CurlyMe hair. This is their 16-inch deep wave crochet hair, and I absolutely love it. It's lightweight and bouncy, and it's giving me a really nice soft girl look, and it's a protective style. Like, it's super beginner friendly, it's easy to install, and I love how simple this looks. I definitely feel like I don't have to do a lot with this hair. Like, all I'm doing right now is to give the hair some moisture and to just define the curls a little bit more. But overall, I feel like this hair is super low maintenance and I don't need to do a lot to it. So I'm not gonna overdo it. Like, I'm just gonna keep it super cute, super simple. And I'm just getting the curls back into the hair.